US dollar index we have seen has recovered in the previous week from very lows, which is from 100.56. We can see the price has risen in the value and also made a break of above 101.37, then above 102.05 and even above 102.85. But we can see that the price could not close above, it has returned back down and it has bounced in between these two price levels, which means a very important level for the price. If we go to the weekly, we can see that after the price has made the previous week a bullish pin bar, the price started to rise in value and it has formed this bullish candle. On the monthly time frame, we can see after very strong and also bearish 2 months, the price has stopped at a very important level at 101.37 and also returned back up, bouncing from this gray support level. What is expected after the price bouncing from this price level? It is also expected that the price could return back up, reaching around this one, which is 102.95. The price has reached, and the next one where the price could stop is this one here, 103.29, and also this one here, 103.60, and ultimately is 104.22. So these are the next levels for the price on the monthly time frame. It has passed only 1 week, so it's very hard to predict where the price could go in the rest of the month, but for that we have a daily and also a weekly time frames. On the weekly time frame, we can see that the price has reached this area, which is a very important level for the weekly time frame, 103.06, and from there the price has retraced a little bit down, bouncing from this great resistance level. On the lower side, we can see a very important levels for the price is this one here, 101.94, and below that it is this one, 101.37. So as it looks right now, the price has bounced back up from this great support and it has reached this area here, which is also a very important. So on the weekly time frame, it's very hard to predict where the price could go, but on the daily, which will be much more clear what are important levels. So for the price, in order to go in any direction, up or down, the price needs to make a breakout from this 102.85 for the bulls to go up and below 102.05 to go on the lower side for the sellers. So for now, I'm still waiting outside of the market to see where the price will make a breakout and also form a direction for the rest of the week or for the rest of the month. Until this happens, I will check also daily to see how the market behaves and is there any signal for the price that will show me that the price could make a breakout in any direction. So if you would like to see also my daily analysis, feel free to check Trading Community, where I will share daily how the market looks and is there any breakout happening on the market. The link for the Trading Community will be below the video inside the description. So if you would like to check it, feel free to visit getnotrading.com. And if you like the video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.